In today's video, I'm going to teach you changing the status of your tasks in ClickUp. If you use ClickUp to organize your work, one of the most important habits you can build is updating task statuses as your work moves forward. Clear statuses help you and your teammates understand exactly what's in motion, what still needs attention, and what's finished, without sending a single message or opening every task. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging in all the way to marking a task complete, so you'll feel confident updating your tasks quickly and accurately. Along the way, I'll share practical context and helpful cues on what you're seeing in the interface, so everything feels intuitive as you follow along on your own screen. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. On the top right, click the Log In button. If your ClickUp account is connected to Google, you can choose the Sign In with Google option to speed things up. Either way, use the account that holds your workspaces and tasks. If you have more than one Google account, or you're part of multiple teams, make sure you pick the account that contains the tasks you want to update. After signing in, ClickUp will take you straight to your dashboard or your most recent view. As soon as you're in, you'll typically land on an overview page for your workspace or team space. Think of this as your home base in ClickUp. It's where you can quickly take stock of what's happening. Tasks that are open, items assigned to you, and recent updates across your workspace. From here, we want to navigate to the area where your tasks actually live, which is usually organized into spaces and lists. You'll find your navigation pane on the left side of the screen. This left sidebar is your guide to the different layers of organization in ClickUp. Let's talk about spaces for a moment, because this is where the structure of your work begins. A space is like a big container for a department, a project category, or a team, whatever makes sense for how you structure your work. Inside each space, you'll find folders and lists, and inside those lists are the tasks you'll be updating. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for on the overview page, go to the left sidebar and click into Spaces. This is where everything is grouped, so you can focus on just the work that matters to you right now. Take a second to find the space that's relevant to your current work. If you're part of multiple spaces, you might see areas that mirror different teams, clients, or initiatives. Choose the space that contains the tasks you intend to update today. If you're unsure which space to choose, look for familiar naming. Maybe the name of the project you're working on, or a team label you recognize. Selecting the correct space ensures you're editing the right tasks, in the right context, with the right teammates seeing your updates. Once you've entered your chosen space, you'll see folders and lists that break your work down into manageable chunks. Lists are where most people spend their time when they're tracking day-to-day tasks. They give you a clear, structured view of what's on your plate. Click to open the list that contains your tasks. Depending on how your workspace is configured, this might be a simple to-do list, a sprint or milestone list,